What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Twos. Man, today I got platinum out, so you can take another good look at her. Oh man, she's beautiful. Dirt I need to clean up a little bit, but we'll get around to doing that some other time. But check her out, man. So today we're gonna get to going. We're gonna do some riding. Let's get platinum started. Woo! Woo! Wee! Check it out, check it out. Yes, sir. Platinum's ready to roll. I'm ready to roll. Let's get out of here. Yes, sir. Platinum is screaming today. Now, the last time I recorded, the mic didn't pick this up. So let's hope that the mic is right this time. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful 70 degrees out here today. Uh-oh, stay there. Thank you. Woo! She's picking up, she's picking up. It's a beautiful 70 degrees out here. I don't know how many of you saw the eclipse. I messed around at 4 o'clock, like, well, what time did the eclipse start? So it happened at 2 o'clock. So I missed that thing totally. I'm like, oh my goodness, I missed it totally? Oh well. Hopefully I live to see another one. Yeah, man, your boy had to get out here on Tuesday today. I'm having a neck procedure tomorrow. I'm hoping I can ride tomorrow. We'll see. It's supposed to be 76 degrees. And after that, the temperature's going to start dropping again, I believe. Or at least I know we're going to get rain. So hopefully I'll be able to ride. But if not, I'm going to go to the bike event at Cycle Gear tomorrow. I'll see what other bikers come out there. But man, I'm hoping I'm feeling better. Old football injuries on my neck. That's what happens when you play college ball. And you know, back in the day, you get a concussion, they give you some salt. Smell this salt. Throw you right back in the game. But anyway, y'all ain't come up for the, y'all came up here to see these two wheels, man. And your boy forgot to get gas, so I better get some gas. Oh, we got the scooters out. I know it gotta be some bikes somewhere around. I think it's 70 anymore. I think it's like 69, and this bike is pulling. The Road 6s are hugging the road. So I decided to bring platinum out today because I finished doing everything that I really need to do to it. Everything's done. At least that's all I'm gonna do right now. So it's ready for the riding season. Tomorrow, the Cycle Gear in Glen Burnie, Maryland. On Wednesday, it's the Wednesday night ride. Weather permitting, of course. Because they did add some rain to the forecast, but it's only like 20%, and they put it in the evening for like 1 hour. But y'all know the deal. You only have to be in that 20%. So, you know, we'll see what the clouds look like, what type of weather is coming in, and we'll go from there. But that's what we plan to do this week. So this video, you actually catch it a little early because I'm going to put it up. Man, you need to get that exhaust fixed. In Maryland, we do one inspection for the car. That's when we first have it. Or if you move here, you get an inspection. That's it. You don't do any more inspections. Giving it to me, man. If this GoPro can keep out all this pipe sound, you got me for life for sure, man. When I tell you these pipes are loud, they are loud. Yes, sir. Nah, not doing anything crazy. I just felt like feeling the power right there. Just checking it out. That's all I'm doing. I love it, man. It's beautiful out here. Simply beautiful. Look, don't know if I'm gonna feel like riding tomorrow, so get it in. It is no traffic. The footage comes through too, because I forgot I have on an ND filter. And the sun is going down. So this video definitely gonna turn into a little quick video about this week. All right, let's get some petrol. I'm fine. Oh, DMV Bike Life. Okay. How long you been riding?
I feel like I'm going on 5 years now.
About 5 years? Okay. What they call you?
My name is Zilley.
Oh, Zilley. Okay, they call me Hammer.
I'm Big Mama out.
All right, I'm going to put you up here now. Yeah, just go on Hammer on 2s. It'll be up there.
Where you heading to? Just riding?
I'm just riding nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Who you wait for? A bunch of other people?
Yeah, I think apparently there's something popping off on U Street, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they're coming from over there to come pick me up, because I was like, I'll go over there. They were like, we'll come get you. I was like, all right. I think it's like 3 of them.
Okay.
So they're coming here, and then we're going to stop up.
You going to Cycle Gear tomorrow night? Glen Burnie Cycle Gear? It's Tuesday night bike night.
Oh, I never heard.
Be a whole bunch of bikes out there. Yep.
Oh.
And then on Wednesday, if the weather permits, we all meet out here. It's probably gonna be about anywhere from, it could be 30 to 80 bikes out here. And we do a Wednesday ride. And we stay local, but we just ride somewhere local. But we meet up here on Wednesday.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that either.
Yeah. So meet up here around 6. Kickstands up around 7:30, so we meet everybody.
Yeah, because we still got mama duties.
Yeah. I understand. And it's some women riders too, so you won't be the only woman.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, Zilly. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah, you too. All right. Let's go. Which way we want to go back? We want to go back? Let's get in some traffic. That's cool. Pushing that scooter. And she only have a helmet on. Shaking my head. That's all I can do. On some back roads. Get off this main road. Boy, got to give him some earplugs. Oh, thank you. Dirt bikers don't care about getting tickets. It was flashing, but guess what? They don't have no tags. So you won't catch them. Check out the vet. That's nice right there. Alright, so we made it back to Laurel. We hit these back roads. Then I'm gonna close this video out. I really wanted to do this video so you know exactly what to look for the next 2 videos. So hopefully I'm feeling up to it. Tomorrow we're going to Cycle Gear, do a bike night. Then Wednesday we're doing a Wednesday night ride. Oh yeah, and tomorrow we plan to ride with some other people too. So it's gonna be an all-inclusive tomorrow. Alright y'all, we gotta make it back to the crib, get past all this traffic. So make sure you check out the next 2 videos, the bike night and the Wednesday night ride, weather permitting. Until next time, thanks for watching Hammer on Tunes. Peace.